गुड इवनिंग टू वन एंड ऑल प्रेजेंट हियर। आप सभी का आज के इस कार्यक्रम में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, आज हमारा यहाँ एकत्रित होने का उद्देश्य डॉक्टर्स डे सेलिब्रेट करने का है। और फ्रॉम द वेरी आउटसेट आई विश ऑल द डॉक्टर्स अ वेरी हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे इन एडवांस। सो आइए इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं। सर्वप्रथम हम प्रेयर डांस से इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करेंगे। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट माय फ्रेंड्स फॉर अ प्रेयर डांस। प्रभु तोरे नाम से हम आशा करते हैं कि प्रभु का आशीर्वाद इस कार्यक्रम के दौरान हमारे साथ बना रहे। नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट आवर ऑनरेबल डायरेक्टर रेवरेंड फादर टॉम थॉमस फॉर अ वेलकम स्पीच।
Most Reverend Dr. Joseph Kalabarabil, Bishop of Jagdalpur Diocese and Chairman of MBM Hospital, Very Reverend Father Santosh Kothari CMI, Provincial Superior of Nirmal Province, respected fathers, respected sisters, respected doctors and my dear friends. As we all know, every year 1st July is celebrated as the Doctors' Day in our nation. So this year also we are celebrating this, but not on 1st July, but the eve of the day. That's why we are here today, gathered in this fine evening to celebrate this great, even happy occasion. So on this beautiful occasion, it's my duty to welcome each and every one of you. So first of all, I welcome our dear Bishop, our Chairman. We know always he is ready to come with us always, to be with us always, to help us, to support us. Whenever we invite, he tries level best to be with us. So for this program also, I just invited him. In spite of all his busy schedule, he find out time to come here over on this occasion. So dear Bishop Ji, I extend in the name of all gathered here and in the name of MBM family a very warm welcome to you in this function. Father Jimmy is our Associate Director. So another eminent personality among us, none other than Reverend Father Santosh Kothari CMI, the Provincial of CMI Province. So I just mentioned an idea to have this function, this gathering this year here in Nirmal Sadan. Very wholeheartedly he accepted this idea. And all the fathers here in this community wholeheartedly supported to that idea, and they arranged everything here today. So, first of all, in the depth of our hearts, I extend heartfelt thanks to dear fathers for giving opportunity to be here in this fine evening. So, it's my privilege to welcome Father Santosh also to this gathering. So dear Father Santosh Provincial, I extend a heartfelt hearty welcome to you to this gathering. Now this welcome goes to you, each and every one of you, because without you, the program is nothing. This program is for you, and with you, and with your support, with your presence, this evening makes beautiful. So I welcome each one of you, especially we are celebrating the Doctors' Day, especially I welcome all our doctors. So please come forward, one each, and get a flower from our bishop or chairman as a token of love. I invite Dr. Virendra Kumar come forward and get a flower. So Dr. Virendra Kumar. Dr. Paul. Dr. Saitri, Dr. Kulli, Dr. Sriga, Dr. Priya, Dr. Vidika, Dr. Jesse, Dr. Nancy. I welcome other members, our sisters, our office staff, and all our friends to this beautiful day.
केक कटिंग ना हो ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता. So I request all the doctors to come forward for the cake cutting.
And there is a new person among us, Dr. Divya Bosch, BDS. So I request Bishop Ji to welcome her in the floor. So now, while they are cutting the cake, we can sing. There is a welcome also, Sister Ansil. So request again Bishop Ji to welcome her.
Sorry,
after this wonderful melodious song, let's have a group dance. So I request our friends for a group dance. Among us, His Excellency, Very Right Reverend Bishop Mar Joseph Columbarambil, CMI, Chairman MPM Hospital. I request Father Ji to come on the dais for the message.
Very Reverend Father Provincial, Father Director, Father Ji, beloved sisters present over here, beloved doctors, nurses, and everybody, those who are present over here. Really, it is a joyful evening. Tomorrow being the Doctors' Day, July 1st, on the eve of Doctors' Day, we are gathered here with a lot of joy and in a celebratory mood. Because it is the only one chance we get all our doctors together to greet them, to appreciate them, to express our gratitude to all our doctors. You see, since they are engaged in such a great ministry, they cannot come out all together. I hope now also somebody may be there in the hospital, because that is that much important, that much very, very important ministry, service, commitment they do for the humanity, do for our society, especially when we think about through our MPM institution. So it is very, very much promising and very much I appreciate and I express my gratitude and give heartfelt thanks for each and every one of you for what you are to all of us, to our society, to every time when we come to the hospital, especially occasionally, I too come with blood testing and our evaluation of the health. So each time when I meet the doctor, I feel a lot of satisfaction and a lot of encouragement and a lot of peace of mind. I can go forward. That will be the experience of everyone who come to the hospital, come to the doctor, to consult with the doctor. Of this commitment and service, I again understand you are a great teacher. You are a wonderful teaching you are giving every occasion. When we discuss our health problems, we get a lot of information, why it is, how we can. So these things are taught to us within a short span of time when we discuss about the research, the medical observations. So that will be communicated even by our expressions to others also. That way this communication go to another extent, because we can also assure others, don't be afraid, don't be such anxious like that. When we look to the MPM hospital, my feeling is, you see, there was a time we were not having this facility, this service. So of course there was other institutions, but lot of anxiety, lot of worries we all were sharing, especially when we think about the brothers and sisters in our communities. There was a lot of anxiety, what shall we do, where to go, how to reach all this. But that kind of anxieties and worries and fear, to a certain extent, it is closed forever in many of our lives. So I appreciate the wonderful commitment, wonderful service. Of course, you are spending most of your time in the service of the humanity, giving with a lot of compassion and giving happiness to others. I don't know how much happiness you get in return through our attitudes and our behaviors and our appreciation and all. Today, this evening, I feel it is the latest occasion for a wonderful occasion for all of us to express our heartfelt gratitude, appreciation, and love to each one of you. Thank you very much. I wish you a good Dr.
request our bishop to welcome some more doctor who joined us to this gathering. Dr. Sachin sir. Dr. Piyushi ma'am. Dr. O. Our hospital is not only known for its patient care, but our staff are also well trained and very much talented. So again, I invite my choir group of our MPM family for a group song. Now I request very Reverend Father Santosh K, CMI, Provincial Nirmal Province Jagdalpur, for to deliver a message for the day on this auspicious occasion of Doctor's Day.
Dear loving Bishop Ji, Father Tom, the director of the hospital, Father Jimmy, dear loving doctors, sisters, and all present here. We have come together, we are gathered here to celebrate the Doctor's Day. First of all, let me appreciate, congratulate, and extend my deep sense of gratitude to all the doctors. We may not be able to think a world without the presence and the service of doctors. There is no one in this world in whose life doctors have not intervened. Therefore, you, the doctors, are very, very important to the society. And as we have come together, we need to celebrate. When I think about the doctors, there are so many things I could say, but a few things, some 5 points I would like to present before you as we celebrate this Doctor's Day. This could be my naive, simple thoughts. First of all, when I think about doctor's job, profession, it is a noble profession. It's a noble job. If you check the dictionary, the meaning of the word noble, you would see that it is written, the meaning is honest, full of courage, caring for all. I think these three words very much fit or apt into this job, because it's an honest job. There's an ethics behind this job. And then there's a courage needed for this job. We are not courageous enough, we are not bold enough. It's very difficult. You may not be able to give an injection in a proper way. You may not be able to operate on bodies in a proper way. You need courage and boldness. and then you care for everyone. You care for everyone. Therefore, this noble word very much fit into your job. Therefore, I say it's a noble profession. Second point that comes to my mind when I think about doctors is that you are army persons. You are army men or women. What do these army people do? They fight. Fight whom? They fight the enemies. Enemies in the borders, or those who are intruders, those who are coming from outside or foreign elements. The similar way, you also fight. No? You doctors also fight. Fight whom? You fight the illness. You fight diseases. You fight sickness. There are a lot of foreign elements coming into our bodies, viruses, and other things that you know better than me. But then you fight. As we salute, we are proud of people who are on the borders, who are enemy men. We should be also be proud of you, the doctors, because you also fight. Third word thing that come to my mind is you are nation builders. You are building the nation. It is said, health is wealth. Health leads to happiness and joy. Health is a way to have a progress in our life, in our society, in our country. A healthy nation is a wealthy nation. A healthy nation is a progressive nation. Healthy nation is a positive nation. In healthy nation, people develop, grow. We belong to this nation. We are the nation. And if we fall sick, the nation falls sick. If we are treated on our sickness, we are healthy. When we are healthy, the nation is healthy. Therefore, nation progresses. Therefore, you build the nations. You doctors have a vital, very, very important role in making this world, making this country as it stands today, a nation builder. The fourth one that comes to my mind is you are wonder workers. The song that we have just heard, अब तो खुदा तो नहीं है लेकिन खुदा से कम भी नहीं है. You are very close to God's. When nurses, we say they are angels on this earth. If they are angels on this earth, you are one step higher, very close to God. Therefore, God very often does miracles, do wonders. Passion plus profession. You have a profession and you mix passion to this, that leads to the miracles that work wonders. You have profession, you have work experts, you have expertise. Along with that, you have passion, the love, the compassion, the kindness. Then these two together work wonders. I am one of the examples of the result of that work, the miracles. You doctors, you know very well that I was the first among the priests who was admitted in the hospital due to Corona. So if I am today standing before you and speaking something, it's because of the miracle that happened in the hospital. Because of you, you work wonders. And another father is here, Father Augustine also. At least 2 times he was almost over. But still now he is there. These are the results of that wonder working. The last one, you are the influential intervener. You intervene into the people's life and that makes their life beautiful for them. You impart some impression into the life of so many people. In the beginning I said, there would be no one in this world in whose life you have not intervened. Therefore, I can say so many things, but everything together cannot be digesting, as you know. Therefore, as we have come together, as our Bishop Swami also said, we need to celebrate because we are always busy in that vicinity, the hospital situation, in that ambience. You have to sometimes come out, go out and celebrate. When I heard that Father Thomas has an idea of keeping this function here in this campus, I was also very happy because it's also for me a chance to see all together and also express our gratitude to all of you because all of us are fathers, the fathers of Nirmal province, this province, and also sisters and other fathers also are very much connected, related to you. Therefore, we need to appreciate and also express our gratitude to you all. But very certain we do that. We come and we go. We come and get cured. We come and we get healed, and we never really thank you personally. But this is an occasion for us. Therefore, I take it as a privilege and honor for me to come here to stand before you and also thank you all on this very special occasion and also everything that you do for all of us. And also sometimes you need to, I think, a program like this, gathering like this should be away from the hospital ambience. Come away and have some time refreshing so that you will come back with more energy and enthusiasm. Therefore, once again, appreciating, congratulating and expressing our gratitude on my own behalf and all the fathers of our province, everyone gathered here, I remain. Thank you.
I request Bishop Ji to welcome Dr. J.D. Dulani sir on this occasion. I welcome Ma'am Dulani also to this occasion. ग्रुप सॉन्ग हो गया, ग्रुप डांस हो गया. Let's have a solo performance by one of our staff. I request the Manisha for a solo dance performance. So here are we end up with the cultural programs. Now I request our director, Reverend Father Tom, to come forward on the dais for the further proceedings.
So now we are the end of our official program. So before that, I invite Bishop Ji and Provincial to front side of the dais. This is an occasion to express our love, express our gratitude to each one of you doctors. So as a token of our love and gratitude, we are going to present a small gift. Maybe it's a small gift for you, but it's a gift from our heart, expressing our gratitude and thanks. Please come forward and receive from it. So I call upon our senior to begin. So first of all, Dr. Dulani is like Dr. Viren Kumar, Dr. Viren Kumar, Dr. Pal, Dr. Sachin, Dr. Paul,
Sabir, Dr. Shabu, Dr. Kashish, Dr. Salvi, Dr. Sister Nancy, Dr. Jesse, Dr. Disha, Dr. Savira, Dr. Om, Dr. Keshi, Dr. Nilesh, Dr. Yeshika, Dr. Divya, Dr. Buddhika.
It's my privilege to say a word of thanks on behalf of MPM family. Very firstly, I would like to thank Bishop Ji for coming here and sparing time from his busy schedule and to share his message on this day. We are very happy to have you, Bishop Ji, here. Secondly, I would like to thank our provincial Reverend Father Santosh for providing us this space, for arranging a beautiful and happy day to celebrate with us. Thank you, Father, for your support and guidance. Very, very thanks to our director, Reverend Father Tom, and our associate director, Reverend Father Jimmy, for arranging this pre-Doctor's Day celebration so that we can all gather here and we can have some happy moment with us. Very bottom of my heart, I thank all the doctors and their family members for coming here. Without you, this Doctor Day is incomplete. So very, very thank you to all the doctors to make your presence here to grace this occasion. Very, very thank you to all the sisters who gathered here to make this program a wonderful one. Very thanks to Reverend Father Babu, Secretary to Provincial, Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur. Though he is not sitting in front of us, but he is sitting at the back and supporting us. Thank you, Father, for your technical support throughout this program. Without your support, this program cannot be performed. I thank all the participants for your wonderful performance, and you made our day with your songs and dance. Very, very thank you to Reverend Father Thomas Mupadinchara, CMI, the Finance Officer of Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur. Though Father is not here, but I thanks him also for providing the premises to have the program here. And last but not the least, very, very thanks to all of each one of us for gathering here and to make the day a wonderful and remember one. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I forgot, sorry Father, I forgot Superior for the Provincial House, Reverend Father Abbas, and the media coverage for this program. I request everybody to follow Father's YouTube channel. And very lastly, a wonderful dinner has been arranged for all of us in the ground floor. So before we go for dinner, the stage is open for all of us who want to enhance or who want to show their hidden talent. And very firstly for this I request our beloved Dr. Viren Kumar. Without his song, I think हमारा एक भी program अधूरा है. I think बिना डॉक्टर के गाने के. Am I correct ना? Yeah. So I request Dr. Viren to come forward to grace this program.
Good evening, everyone. Would you like to listen to fast dancing song or slow? Slow sister.